Hello guys and welcome to Computer G Plus channel. Today we will talk about how to reset a password if you forgot your password or someone asks you for help with this issue. This method works on Windows 7 and Windows 10 and Windows 11. And also it's the easiest method in all YouTube. As you can see, our Windows 10 laptop password is unknown. The first thing we need to do is restart while holding down the shift button, as you can see. And we should wait a little here until this screen appears. We will choose troubleshoot and advanced options and see more recovery options and system image recovery. The system will restart here for the second time. And we have two possibilities. The first is continue with system image recovery and we will complete the steps normally. Or second is asks for the Windows password. And the password can be requested due to the system version or to the system update. And in our situation, the system asks for the password. Here we need Windows 10 copy on CD or USB. And to make the computer start the boot process from the CD, we need to press on the keyboard F12 or F11, F9 or F8. And this is due to the computer model. And here we will start the boot process from the CD. Ensure we will not format the disk, just we need to repair. Press next and repair your computer. And after that, troubleshoot, a command prompt. Here we will work more professionally. Write the same word on the screen, edit. And this is coming from registry editor. Press one click on local machine and then choose file and then load hive. And we are now on sources file and booting CD. We need to change to the drive that Windows installed on it, usually be C drive. Go to Windows System 32 and search for file that name is utilman. To search more quickly, you can write U letter and scroll down and you will find the file utilman. And when we find the file, press rename and copy the same name, it's important. And after that, rename it to any name you want. I will rename it utilman A. And in the same way, we will search for CMD file. We'll press C and scroll down to find the file. Now we will change the file name to the one we copied, utilman. And sometimes the change does not appear immediately, so we will go to check. And with the same way, local machine, load hive, searching for the Windows drive and System 32. And we see the CMD does not exist and there is utilman and utilman A. Close this window and close this also, close and press continue and the PC will restart automatically. As you can see, the password is still there. We will press on this button and we will write net user to check what users we have. And in our case, we have one user, admin. And we write again net user space and the username what we have here admin on the same spelling and space and start. Press enter. Here they ask you to put a password. I don't want to put a password. Enter, confirm, enter. And now there is no password on our computer. I remember the first time I did these steps, I thought I was like this, but in reality, I was like this. And if you like the channel, do share, subscribe and like, and wait me for more videos.